So this free tool will give you consistent images just like what you're seeing on your screen, and it's unlimited. No matter the number of images you want to create, you can do that with this tool. With that said, let's get right into today's tutorial. That's anything. We need to get our prompts for our images. So for that, I'll be using Google. Okay. So know that garbage in, garbage out. If you don't really give in what you want to see, you're not going to get it. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, so you gave us, let's see, 5 prompts. Okay, so now we have our prompts. Before we go, we'll be using our phone. So let's just tap here and then make sure we tap on this icon here. Then tap on open in pop-up view. You know the reason why I did this in a few minutes. Okay, so now let's open our Google Chrome, a new tab. Then in the search button we type Google image, that's it, image effects. Okay, so you just tap on the first link. Alright, I'm already signed in, but it's very easy to sign up if you don't have an account. Just use your Google and you get access to it. Okay, so now we are in. When you get in, this is the interface you will get. So this app has video effects, which is not available in my country yet. We have the music effects, music FS DJ, music effects, then we have the Rex, and then my library. But for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the image effects. So now let's open Google AI Studio. And take our prompts. Okay, so we have our prompts here. It gives us a name, Aisha, age 32, gender female. The features we have: the skin color to be dark, rich ebony, complexion with warm undertones, then a smooth skin. The facial features we have: high cheekbones, full lips, a slightly upturned nose, an almond shaped dark brown eyes. Her expression is thoughtful and serene. Her eyebrows are well defined and arched. The hair is natural, tightly curled. Okay, so let's paste our forms here. Alright, now we have to add the setting to it. You tap on the star icon here and wait for it to generate. Or Claude or Perplexity, whatever it is. I'm using Google AI Studio. I ask that you do a pop-up like this because as we've generated this image, if we leave here, by the time we come back, it's going to refresh. Okay, and that's not what we want. Why? Because as we've generated this, we have to go back to the settings here and then you see the seed number here. We'll just tap on the unlock sign here to lock it. So the seed is locked to create similar outputs. That's what it says. So if it's unlocked, your output will be on similar, and we want consistent images, so we have to lock it here. So just imagine you've locked it here, and you're now going back to copy something. By the time you come back, this image, the whole thing is cleared off, and you have to start all over again. So this is the reason I asked that you do a pop-up of your prompt box or whatever it is. Alright, and it also allows you to do a square, a portrait, landscape, mobile portrait, mobile landscape, whatever you want. These are the options here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using a landscape. That's 16:9. Okay. Alright, so now our image is generated. I think they are cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's worth it? The quality? How good is it? Just tell me in the comments below. Okay, so now we just tap on the download button and we download onto our phone. Okay, so it's just going to appear in our images or pictures or gallery. Okay, now that we have this downloaded successfully, let's go back to Google AI Studio and get the next setting it gave us. Everything is the same aside the setting. So the next setting is sitting on a wooden park bench in a city park. Copy. During the golden hour of sunset. So let's see what we get. The sky is a vibrant mix of orange, pink, and purple hues. Trees with autumn foliage, that's reds, oranges, and yellows, are visible in the background. She's looking slightly off camera, as if contemplating the view. Long shadows are cast across the grass. The air has a slight crisp chill, suggested by a few leaves swirling gently in the breeze. Okay, so with the next settings, I'm not going to read it out. I'm just going to copy and paste so that this tutorial doesn't get so long. Okay, alright, now let's paste the next one. Our seed is logged, then we tap and generate. Let's see what we get. So as we wait, let me know in the comments if ImageFX is available in your country, so I'll know if I have to find an alternative for you. But again, I have a tutorial where I use Canva, so you can check on that as well if ImageFX is not available in your country. Okay, I'm sure you saw the first images. What do you think? Are they similar? Are they similar? Don't worry, you see all of it soon. Let's just generate all. Then we come back to look at them and we give a final verdict. Okay. So once again, we are just downloading them. Okay, let's do the next setting. Remember, we got 5 settings. Copy. Okay.